Ever wondered if your to-do lists are more of a help or a hindrance? Well, let's dive into the pros and cons of using these organizational tools. Starting with the pros. 1. Organization. To-do lists are a fantastic tool for keeping your tasks neatly organized. They provide a clear, uncomplicated, and user-friendly structure for managing both your professional and personal obligations. 2. Prioritization. To-do lists are a great way to prioritize your tasks. With everything laid out in front of you, it's easier to determine which tasks are more urgent or important than others. 3. Productivity. To-do lists can significantly boost your productivity by cutting down the time you spend wondering about your next move. With a pre-made list, you can dive straight into the task at hand. 4. Fulfillment. Ticking off completed items from your list gives you a sense of accomplishment and progress, which can provide motivation to tackle even more tasks. Finally, stress reduction. To-do lists can help lower stress and mental load by ensuring that no crucial task slips your mind. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows. There are some cons to consider as well. Firstly, they can be overwhelming. If not managed well, a long to-do list can lead to stress and feel intimidating, which may result in procrastination. Secondly, lack of flexibility. To-do lists can be somewhat rigid and may not adapt quickly to unexpected changes in your day, thus disrupting your plans. Thirdly, they're not time-bound. Without careful planning, tasks can remain undone as to-do lists do not account for time. They just enumerate tasks. Fourthly, misplaced focus. There's a risk of concentrating more on the number of tasks ticked off rather than the quality or value of the work completed. Lastly, neglecting larger goals. A list full of minor tasks might make you lose sight of your larger objectives. You could get caught up in the minutiae and fail to see the grand scheme of things. So, the takeaway? To-do lists can be a powerful tool for organization and productivity, but only if used correctly. Be mindful of their potential downsides and make sure to adapt them to your individual needs and circumstances. Remember, it's not about ticking off the most tasks, but about making meaningful progress towards your larger goals. So, whether you're a supply chain professional or a busy parent, take these points into consideration